Welcome guys to my unboxing of the UMiDIGI A3S. As you can see at the specs at the back of the phone, it is powered by a Mediatek processor and is clocked out at 1.8 GHz. It has Android 10 operating system, 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of onboard storage. It has a dual nano SIMs and a TF card slot. The battery is 3950 mAh and the display is 5.7-inch HD plus 18:9 aspect ratio at 1440x720p. That's it for the specs. Let's have a look at what is inside of the box. As we open the box, we are greeted with a thank you card from UMiDIGI saying thanks for watching, and at the back it is a giveaway. You can scan the QR codes and get giveaways that UMiDIGI have going at the moment. Next we have the phone itself. Select that. Let's put the device aside. And you open up, you get greeted with a little booklet, link to the world. When you open it, you need our SIM ejection tool and the booklet. Put that to the side. Then we have power brick. It is 5 amps, so it's not fast charging by any means. Then we have our normal micro USB cable, not USB Type-C. At the back of the device, we have a 16 and a 5 megapixel camera with a flash and a fingerprint sensor. At the left of the device, there is the SIM tray, and the side of the phone it is metal. It has metal edges going right around the phone. In front, we have our 13 megapixel selfie camera, our earpiece, and our charging LED. At the bottom of the phone, we have our 3.5mm audio jack, a USB charging port, a mic, and our bottom 5-inch speaker. Right side, we have volume rockers and our power button. So basically that's all there is. So that is our unboxing of the UMiDIGI A3S. So please stay tuned for the full review. Full review will be up very soon. Let's have a look so I can show you the SIM ports. What we have for the SIM ports, you can see we have a TF card slot and a port for 2 nano SIMs. Slip them back in, and they have 2 antenna lines at the top. This phone is very nicely built. It's not too hefty, and I like the case that comes with it. It's not too flimsy like some other TPU cases. So that's all. Have a look at everything that came in the box. So stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.